If you've ever had Alabama firecrackers, then you know what all the hullabaloo is about. These crazy popular saltines are so addictive and so simple to make that we've included a version of them in our Ultimate Recipes Across America cookbook. To make them, all you have to do is place some ranch dressing mix in a resealable plastic storage bag, along with a bit of crushed red pepper, garlic and onion powder, and a little vegetable oil. Now we mix this well, add in a couple of sleeves of saltine crackers, and shake it up. By the way, make sure you shake the bag gently so you don't break up the crackers or you'll end up with Alabama firecracker crumbs. Also, locals will tell you to let the crackers sit overnight so that all the flavors really soak in. If you make a big batch today, you can have them on hand whenever you need something surprisingly good. And although they're the perfect go along with soups and chili, I like them best on their own, as a snack. To get the recipe for our Alabama firecrackers, all you have to do is go online. I'm Howard with Kelly in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a snackable Southern way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.